Hi everybody, Wicked Penny here. Today's video, I'm filming on a Saturday morning. It's downpouring. I looked at Keith and I said, I don't remember the last time it rained on a Saturday. It's been months. I mean, maybe a drizzle late at night or something. This is the first downpour we've had on a weekend in a long time. So, the video today I'm making was requested by my friends, Rich and Gil, aka Palm Springs Spinners, also known as the Palm Springs Spillers. Not so much Richie Rich, but that Gil, he tends to tip them back a lot, and he likes his wines like me. I thought it was only fitting. Cheers, boys. This recipe is for you. Delish. Anyway, the boys were at a restaurant and they were doing a live stream and they were eating some candied bacon and they asked me to show them how to make it. I did a few recipes. I had some actually on my trip into Missouri at 37 Steak. I believe that was the restaurant. I've had it before maybe, but this was absolutely phenomenal. So I'm trying to make it. It's called $1 Million Bacon, and it was actually originated in a restaurant called Maple in San Francisco. So anyway, I'm gonna bendy, you're gonna watch, and we're gonna do it together. Let's get this party started. Do you like the angle? Is that good? No, you need it a little more. There we go. I'm looking, I see. Oh, I'm getting good. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna make mine in the air fryer. All the recipes I looked at, it was one strictly in the oven. We're gonna do it in the air fryer and let's see how it goes. So this recipe, this is for 1 pound of bacon, but I only have a 12-ounce package because that shit's expensive. Fucking bacon is outrageous. So, but these are the ingredients for 1 pound. I'll have the ingredients listed in the description of the video. It's brown sugar, cayenne pepper, black pepper, cayenne pepper, and red pepper flakes. So it's spicy, guys. You know, with that red pepper flake, the cayenne, and the black pepper. And then you got the sweet with this brown sugar, okay? So I stir all up nice, okay? And then here's my bacon. You want to use a thick cut bacon, okay? So I mean, even this 12-ounce package, I think was $4.99. Insane. So I just got, it's just thick cut, okay? And it says all you do is lay it in your pan. They even showed this type of rack for the oven. So I think we're going to be just fine. Calls for 350 in the regular oven, and I have preheated, and I have my air fryer preheating right now at 350 degrees. So I think we'll be good to go. So I'm just going to lay this down. I'll lay one more down, and then I'll do 2 batches. Okay, this is a fat end. So look at that. Nice. Okay. And then you don't have to do anything, guys. It says just sprinkle this stuff on. You just sprinkle it on, each piece generously, okay? And it's gonna fall through so you're golden. You got, you know, it says if you don't have a rack, you can just put foil line on a pan, but I don't think it would be good sitting in all the fat. I think it needs to run off to make the bacon nice and crisp. You know what I mean? So you see what I'm doing? And actually, if I was a savvy cook, I would, all the stuff that is fallen through, which I will probably, don't put this in the oven yet. Get it off. I thought it was interesting that you only do this on one side. You don't flip and do it again. It's just the one side. Oh, it looks so yummy. I looked at recipes for maple bacon. Guys, I'm gonna experiment with this shit. You know, you can make all kinds of fun flavors. Who doesn't like pork? Any kind of pork, right? Well, the Muslims, I guess they don't like pork. But, oh well, they don't know what they're missing. Here, I'm gonna take this out, take this, and I'm gonna save this stuff. Isn't that smart? Oh God, I'm getting so smart. It's fucking scary. Okay, so, voila. How easy is that, PSS? Let me put this up. How easy was that, right? God, I'm looking cute as fuck. Got my Tiger Woods hat on. Why? Because he's in round 3 today of the tournament. So anywho, I'm gonna pop this in the air fryer for 350 degrees. I'm not sure the amount of time. I'll have to go back and look at my recipe. And I'll come back when it's all done and it'll be nice and sweet and spicy and crispy crisp. I'll be right back. Don't go away. Guys, after I turned the camera off and threw the bacon into the air fryer, I had an idea. I'm gonna take the rest of that bacon. I have it on a cookie sheet like it explained in my recipe search. And I'm gonna do it in the oven. In case you don't have an air fryer, then we're gonna see. We'll compare what gets crispier, what gets better. So I'm gonna pop it in the oven at 350 degrees. The oven recipe calls for 30 to 40 minutes. I'm starting out at 10 in the air fryer, and I'll let you know how we make out. Don't go away. Okay, not done yet. So we're gonna be coming back again still because the other bacon's in the oven. But I just wanted you to look at this. Look at this badassness. Look at that freaking bacon, guys. Look at it. Oh my God, look. PSS, all for you. We're gonna have a taste in a little bit. And you know what, guys? Oh my God, you're gonna be so excited. I'll tell you in a little bit what I discovered. I'll be right back. Okay, guys. Other bacon's out of the oven. Look at this. Okay, so not bad. It did not take 30 to 40 minutes like it said. It freaking, here it is. It took like, I want to say 20 tops, but it looks pretty good, doesn't it? It's not as dark as those stuff in the air fryer, but I'm gonna put it out on a plate, and we gotta let it totally get hard and dry. So we're gonna eventually taste this shit, but I wanted you to see each piece. Don't go away. It's not gonna be long now. Your mouth's watering. I can tell. You know what you can do for that water and mouth? Have a sip of wine, says. Alrighty. Don't hold your breath. Hi guys, we're here playing piggies. 2-cent bet, $1 bet. We were betting men. Finally got the piggy bonus, and look, we got a big fat fucking piggy. Let's go. Hopefully we get the minor. Oh, I don't know if we can get the major in this big fat pig, but we're only missing one, so maybe. Let's go. Hit it, Keith. Go, major fat fucking piggy. If I see the major, I'll die. Minor, major. Oh my God. 50 bucks. 50. But it was exciting to see the major in there, wasn't it? All right, that was a big fat piggy. All right, if we get another bonus, we will come back to, engage in your pleasure. Thanks for watching. We're finally done. All in all, guys, it doesn't take long at all. I think I would recommend air fryer. Well, just put it in the oven if you want, but the air fryer I think just came out a little crispier. Not sure if I left it in the oven it would get even crispier because it was just sitting in its oil, not raised up on a rack. I think that's why it gets crispier all the way around. Coloring too, I'm gonna show you the different colors. This is the air fryer. Oh my God, guys, look at that. I mean, come on. I mean, really? Candied bacon? Okay. And this is the oven. This is the oven. Can you see it? And this is the air fryer. So they're like, oh, wait, let's get this one. See how it doesn't get as crispy? It's a little flimsy, but oh my God. Look at it. It looks so good. All right, we're going to taste it though. Not a lot, guys, because, and look, you can like put it in a little glass for your peeps and bring it to a party and you'll be like, they had it at a party. Okay, but real quick, look at this. I'm only taking a little bit though, because it's hot. Crunch. Palm Spring Spinners. I'm super happy you asked me to make it. I'm cheersing you to all the way to freaking California. It's super hot, super spicy with those 3 different peppers in there. So if you don't like spice, you're gonna have to play with it. But guys, winner, oink, oink, bacon dinner. It's delicious. You will be the hit if you make this and bring it to your next party or picnic. I'll put the Spinners link in the description. Go sub to them. Great guys. Enjoy the video. No. You already watched it. I snuck it in. What a mush, right? Like, share, subscribe. Thumbs up. Hit your bell. Have a great day. Peace.